If you're a detail-oriented person looking for a work-from-home job, then a career in remote data entry is a great option. Data entry is one of the most rapidly growing fields in the workforce. Keep watching to learn everything you need to know about landing a remote data entry job. This video is sponsored by ZipRecruiter. If you're looking for a job, ZipRecruiter can help. ZipRecruiter makes it easy to apply for jobs with a single click. You can also upload your resume to their resume database so that your resume is searchable for thousands of recruiters and employers who use ZipRecruiter. ZipRecruiter is also free for job seekers. Click the link in the description below to get started with ZipRecruiter today. What is remote data entry? Data entry is where information is entered into a program, spreadsheet, or another form of record keeping system. There are all types of information that can be processed, such as demographics, statistics, answers to surveys, or other types of research. Maintaining quality data entry is essential for businesses. As a data entry professional, you will help to ensure that all records are relevant, error free, and assembled correctly to where they can be easily interpreted. Remote data entry is a great career, especially for those who thrive in a job that requires attention to detail and organization. Now let's dive into some of the best remote data entry jobs. These are 4 different types of data entry jobs that you can find. There are many more too. Be sure to pay attention to the prereqs and requirements for each position that you're applying to. Up first is a data entry clerk. A data entry clerk is responsible for taking data, either in electronic or paper form, and entering it into a computer program or system. They are charged with inputting this data quickly and without errors. They may be asked to update and organize current data and perform data backups. To work in this role, you need a high school diploma. Up next is a transcriptionist. Transcriptionists listen to audio or video recordings and type what is said. This job will often require learning specific notations that are relevant to the material being transcribed. For example, medical transcriptionists need to have a strong understanding of medical terminology and abbreviations. Other responsibilities include expanding on shorthand, proofreading, editing, and organizing. In some cases, people with this job will be asked to sit in on live meetings and transcribe in real time. Next is a word processor. Word processors are essential to the function of most businesses and can also be called typists. They are responsible for taking written or recorded materials and turning them into usable content such as brochures, memos, or advertisements. This position requires creativity, organization, and attention to detail. Like many data entry careers, they can be seen across all industries. To work in this role, you need a high school diploma. Up next is a data analyst. Data analysts are higher level data entry careers that require both entering data into a computer system and analyzing it. Analysts look for trends in the data, identifying significant findings. Presenting the data in format that is easy to understand is also a key responsibility of a data analyst. They could also be required to work directly with sources to obtain the data. To work in this role, you need a bachelor's degree. And finally, there are also freelance data entry positions. Data entry is a great option for those looking to stray away from a traditional full time job. Many positions allow you to set your own hours, meaning you can work whenever you want. On average, freelance data entry professionals make around $32,000 per year. Now that we've learned some of the best remote data entry jobs, you may be wondering where you can find these types of jobs. Our number one recommendation is ZipRecruiter. ZipRecruiter is one of the top rated job search sites and it's free for job seekers. You can also upload your resume to their resume database so that employers and recruiters can find you. Click the link in the description below to get started today. Another option for remote data entry jobs is Amazon Mturk. This is also known as Mechanical Turk. This website is great for people looking to make a few dollars quickly. The jobs are called microtasks and range from just a few dollars to as much as $50 or more per task. The tasks include answering surveys, clearing data sets, and more. Whether you're looking for a full time job or freelancing gigs, data entry is a growing and accessible field. Check out ZipRecruiter today for more data entry job opportunities. Click the link in the description below to get started.